We are going home. Our trailer is loaded with many wood. Aisan is driving, going home. It's heavy load. This wood we are going to use for this coming winter to put in the wood stove to heat the whole house. It's super cold in Michigan, that's why we need to heat the house in winter time. So we are cutting wood, many wood, to bring at the house for preparation for this coming super cold weather.